I made a special trip to Dollar Tree for some floral. It's been a while since I picked up floral, so I'm quite happy to share with you what I picked up. I picked up some hydrangea bush. I picked up this violet color one, see? It's got a multicolor hydrangea, and I like this. I picked up 4 of these. I also picked up 4 of these. This is another hydrangea bush, and then this would be the white version of the hydrangea bush. I also picked up this Gerber daisy, and it's the pale pink with the yellow center there. Picked up 4 bushes of those. And then this is a rose bush. I picked up 3 of these, and I picked up the smaller rose because there are different sizes, so I picked up this one. And then this is like an off-white color, and then this one too. This is called a greenery. I picked it up because it has the yellow buds at the tip here. I needed a yellow flower, and this is the one I decided I wanted. So I picked up 5 of these. I also picked up this Easter basket. I like it because it's got that natural color, and it's got a green edging on the top and the bottom, and handles green too. And I like the ribbon. It's almost like a lime green color. It is cute. I want to decorate this for my kitchen table. I think it'll look really cute sitting there. I don't know if there's other colors, because this is the only one I saw at my store, and that's after going to like 2 stores. And they have plenty of the other ones, like they have purples and pink ones, but nothing the neutral colors. So I'm happy I found at least this one. While I was there, I decided to go ahead and pick up a wreath form. This is the 14-inch wreath form, and it's in that tan color. I don't have one of these, so I want to maybe make a mesh wreath with this one. I got only the one. I also found these. These are letter tiles, and you get 26 pieces in here. They are 0.7 inch by 0.8 inch. I only seen the one bag. It says 26 letters. Let me see if all the alphabets are in here. Here they are. The alphabet. It's a full set in uppercase letters. So I am going to be on the watch out to find more of these natural colors, and also the black tiles, because I want the black tiles for Halloween, so I will keep a watch out for those. I picked up 2 of these poly rope, and I picked it up in the black. They come in other colors too. I've seen them before in yellow and like a blue color maybe. And you get 50 feet of this. And this is really good for making like netting projects if you want to create a net. So that is handy to have. Crafter Square is also putting it out some sewing notions. So I decided to pick up this water soluble marking pencil. It comes in the white and the blue pencil. And these markers or the pencils are used on fabric, in case you're wondering. Like if you need to mark a fabric, and like if you need to cut at a certain point, or you're trying to measure out a strip of fabric, and So this is what that is used for. So I picked up 2 of those. They also have other notions available now. If you're looking for like straight pins, like this kind, it won't be as long as mine because mine is it's actually made for quilting. But the one Dollar Tree has is about that long maybe, and it does have the metallic beading on them in the pretty colors. They also have measuring tape available now. So, you know, and the needles are back too, you know, the multi-pack needles. I also picked up some new gel pins. This is called a Doodler's Z. A Doodler's Z? I don't know. By Zebra. They are metallic ink 0.8 millimeter medium point. And I found 3 packages. So this one has the purple and the green. This one has the pink and like a teal color. And then there's the silver and the gold. So I wanted to see how these would work because look, they gave cute examples right here on the bottom. So it says it's great for crafting. So I want to give these a try. While I was there, I saw this. At first glance, I thought these were rulers. So I almost passed it. And I looked back and it said, first all I saw was smash. I was like, what is smash? I'm like, first I thought it was a ruler, but it's actually a smash. And then I was like, oh, it's Casey Company smash. And I'm still confused. So you get 10 pieces in here and they are inserts. And this is what it does. See? I'm thinking they're like reinforcers for tabs. I don't know. I've never worked with this, so let me open it and take a look and see what it is actually. Oh, open it on the bottom. So you get 2 each of a design, front and back, and then so apparently this hang goes on a hinge, like, but you'll need the long 8.5 by 11 notebook, so it hangs on the wire like this. According to the picture. See there? I don't know. I need to do a little bit more of an investigation on this because I'm thinking the way they're showing it, it's like a reinforcement maybe, or if you wanted to add a page into your spiral notebook, you would put this on there maybe. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see how it really is supposed to be working. I'm just guessing at the moment because I have no idea how to use it. So, and then there's this one that has the dominoes and cubes. Or cubes. No, they're all cubes. And then you got the stripe. And the writing page. And an atlas. So I found 2 of them, so I went ahead and picked up both of them. Now these were the last 2 on the peg, so I'm thinking that they're there might be more designs out there. I don't, maybe you guys seen them at your store. If you would let me know, so I will keep a watch out for more of these. The last item I picked up is this Easter sign. See, so you have like a floral up here and some eggs. It says love, and then down here you get more floral with the bunny at the bottom. And I want to go ahead and use this as part of my Easter decor. It is really cute, right? It's got that wood plank design in the back. It is very nice. This was the only one I saw, the only design like this. So I don't know if there's more of these available with different words. That would be nice to collect if you can find it in more word options, right? So my Dollar Trees are towards the end of putting out Easter items, so I don't know if I will see any more of these, but I will continue to look out for more Easter signs. Well, I did have some interesting finds, and I'm looking forward to trying out these gel pens. It'll make a great addition to all the pens and pencils that I have. And yeah, I'm quite looking forward to adding to my pen and pencil collection. I will definitely keep a watch out for more of those Scrabbles, and I will be using my basket for my Easter decoration also. Well, thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.